If your iPhone keeps restarting by itself, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. 1. Force. Restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Keep pressing the side button until the Apple logo appears. 2. Check for problematic apps. If you recently installed a new app, try uninstalling it to see if it's causing the issue. 3. Clean up storage. Ensure your iPhone has enough storage space. Lack of storage can sometimes cause performance issues. 4. Reset settings. If the problem persists, you might need to reset your iPhone settings. Remember to back up your data before doing this. 5. Restore iPhone. As a last resort, you might need to restore your iPhone. This will erase all data and reinstall iOS. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel V4 Empire Unlocker and stay tuned for more videos.